Can I repair my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system myself? The honest answer is that you can handle small maintenance tasks yourself, but most actual repairs should be left to a licensed professional because of safety risks and the risk of causing bigger damage. Think of your heating and cooling system like the engine of your car. You can change the oil and check the air filter yourself, but you probably shouldn't try to rebuild the engine unless you really know what you're doing. The same goes for your indoor comfort system. Simple things like changing the air filter every month or two, cleaning around the outdoor unit, or making sure vents aren't blocked are totally safe for you to do. But once you get into things like refrigerant levels, electrical wiring, or the compressor, that's where it gets dangerous and complicated. Refrigerant is actually regulated by law, and you need a special certification just to legally purchase or handle it. Most homeowners don't know that part, and it's a big reason why professionals exist for this kind of work. Trying to fix electrical components without proper training can also lead to shock, fire, or permanently damaging expensive parts. One common mistake people make is ignoring their air filter until it's completely clogged, which forces the whole system to work harder and can lead to costly breakdowns, so a simple fix is setting a reminder on your phone to check it monthly. Another misconception is that a strange noise or smell means the whole unit needs replacing, when often it's just a loose part or a simple fix that a technician can handle in under an hour. People also assume that watching a video online means they can safely recharge refrigerant themselves, but doing this incorrectly can damage the system or release harmful chemicals into the air, so it's always safer to call in someone certified for anything beyond basic upkeep. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.